Cymru is the Welsh Assembly Public Transport Information Service for Wales. We provide route and timetable information for all public transport operators, and we're currently trying to expand that to include car sharing, walking and cycling as well. The campaign was to rebrand the company and to redevelop the website. So we completely refreshed the brand and the brand values, and then we looked and completely redeveloped the suite of literature, promotional material, etc. that we have, and then we completely redesigned the website as well. We had to go out and explain to people what we were doing and exactly why we were doing it. So we did a lot of seminars and events where we could actually speak to the customers and explain the confusion between the two parallel brands, PTI Cymru and Traveline Cymru, and explain to them exactly why we were doing it. That was backed up then by newsletters. People have been very, very positive about the new look and the new ethos of the company, and obviously the website. The website has received in excess of a 47% increase in visitors to the site, so we're thrilled with that. I think we do a more detailed sweep of our stock room because we found only a couple of months ago that one of the departments was still using old PTI Cymru stationery, so because they thought it was a waste. So we definitely go through things more thoroughly and get rid of it.